Hello guys, thank you so much for coming into my channel. Once again welcome back to my channel, and this side Prakash. So in this video I am going to share you one opportunity where you can earn 25,000 by just designing. So please make sure that you will watch till the end. Okay, so let me share my screen so that you will be more aware like what I am talking about. Okay, in order to go to this particular website, I will also make sure that I will copy this particular link in the chat box or description so that you can directly go and click on this particular link. So in order to make it simpler, I will share you in the link in the description. You can directly click and you can directly visit this particular website once you click on that particular link. So this is from my government app. So what they are saying is like logo design context is going for right to repair through repairability index. So what does it mean? So let me just, so you can see start date and end date, you can thoroughly go. So we have still November 30, right? So today is date November 5, so we have another 25 days. You can utilize this particular opportunity. So just it will ask you phone number to log in, and you can enter your phone number and log in. Okay, let me enter mine. So you will get one OTP. So when you click on login with OTP, so you will be able to receive an OTP to your mobile. Let me 369. Okay. So I have received my OTP to my mobile. So I am just entering here and click on submit. So you will be taken to this particular page. So most of the people are aware of this My Government app, MyGov, but still for people who doesn't know, so I'm just explaining them that you don't even need an app to apply for this particular context. But at least if you have a phone number and details, you can directly log in the Chrome itself. So just wait for another few seconds, let it load. Yeah, so the page has been loaded. Now you can see, right, start date and end date. Start date is from October 27 and last date will be November 30. So I am recording this on November 5th, so which is Guru Paurnima, Kartika Paurnima, we say Guru Nanak also, there is a festival going on. So yeah, coming to the topic, you can see, right, 913 people have already submitted and there are in review. So yeah, it will be 0 will be approved because once all the people are submitted, then the process will go to review. So among these, whoever have submitted the logo design, right, so what they will get, what are the benefits that they will get? Let me go through this. For more information, you can click on see details. Now we can go through one by one. Okay, the chair on Consumer Law at National Law University, Delhi, established by Department of Consumer Affairs, Government of India, is organizing a logo design competition on right to repair through repairability index in collaboration with MyGov to crowdsource creative ideas from citizens across the nation. So they basically, with the help of the National Law University Delhi, they are context. They are organizing a context. So for this particular right to repair repairability index. So for what they are looking for, let us see in the next chapter. Next line. So these are the details you can go through. Just So basically they need a basically impactful logo. You can already go through all the information, but I'm just going through briefly like which are important in this. Okay, so why these and this logo will serve the following purposes. So once you design the logo, they will use it to visibly indicate a product's repairability index rating, and also to symbolize the core principles of the right to repair and circular economy, and to serve as a certification mark that consumer can easily identify. So basically the logo should be very easily identified by the customers. Okay, and also there are another point mentioned here. The proposed logo will serve as a visual representation of India's transition towards a circular economy, promoting responsible consumption and consumer empowerment. And the technical parameters. So while submitting, there are some parameters that we need to meet. The logo design must be original, creative and digitally designed, aligned with the theme. So what does it mean? It should be original, creative. It should not be plagiarized, or it should be made from Google, copy from Google, or it should not be made from even AI also. Okay. So logo must be uploaded in high resolution, which means JPEG, PNG, PDF drive link with public view access format. So even if you create in drive, make sure that it is available to the public, because some people may forget to give access. So that is the reason why I am just reiterating this. And each participant must include a brief concept note, so which is of maximum 100 words, explaining the symbolism and thought behind their design. So what does it mean? So whatever the design that you will design, right? So make sure that you will articulate it in at least at least 100 words. So that it would be having some meaningful for that particular design. It's not something that you just design randomly. So it has some meaning to this. So that's what I'm they are saying. And winners may be required to furnish a valid ID proof, other for identity verification and prize disbursement. So what does it mean? Disbursement. Okay. So in order to get that particular, whoever wins particular context, they need to just verify ID card, obviously, in order to check that it is you who have created, and also prize will be disbursement to your account. And fifth point is winners, designs must be free of any watermark, signature or identification mark, and must be original work of participant. AI generated or plagiarized designs will lead to immediate disqualification. So they are already saying that it should not be AI generated and it should not be having any watermark. So make sure that it will be while submitting this particular context. And gratification is of 25,000 rupees. As I said, right, you will earn 25,000 rupees if you get selected, or if you own this particular context. Coming to that last point, winners will be selected by a designated selection committee, and the winning logo may be adopted as the logo for the Repairability Index framework under the Department of Consumer Affairs, Government of India. So it is self-explanatory, there is no need to explain. So the once you have not only 25,000 will be credited to your account, but also will be used as a national level. So you can assume that that particular fame and name to you. Yeah, that's it. And click here for terms and conditions. You can also click here for terms and conditions. So how you can submit the task, that's the most of the people will ask. So some simple, you can always have this particular question, how can I submit? There is a submit task right below. So how can you submit? There is a submission task. Click on here, submit your task. So enter your 100 words topic related to the design. And like as I said, right, there should be a maximum 100 words to explain about the logo. And once you attach the logo, you just click on attach and then save. That's it. That's all uploading this particular logo. So hope this particular information is useful, because many people will say earn 25,000 just by sitting at home, or do freelancing like that. There are many other people will say, but actually this is one of the authenticated website, and it is very true information that I am sharing. Hope you like it, and I hope this will be beneficial for you. And also share with your friends who are good at designing, so that they not only get they not only get 25,000 rupees, but also use their logo for this particular national level context. So that's what I am saying. Thank you so much for your time once again. And for more information about earning money online, or digital marketing, or YouTube, please subscribe to my channel, so that I will come with new topics always. Thank you so much once again. Have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye.